Hey guys, welcome and/or welcome back to the channel. jdevinci here with another wig install. Today is actually a super carefree wig install. This is air dried hair from my first time ordering from them, Unice or Unice. Is it Unice or Unice? Tell me in the comments. This is 24 inches. It's definitely giving 27 Beyonce vibes. I am absolutely loving this hair. Super easy wig install. I did bleach the knots. I like to tell you guys, if you guys are working with human hair wigs, be sure to bleach you guys' knots because it's going to make your wig install bomb. Granted, this wig is like a 27 color. The knots were low-key black. So I was like, let me bleach these knots so it can look bomb. It definitely does. I hope you guys enjoy. No baby hairs today. You can definitely slick some baby hairs if you like. And then wait, this is another thing that I wanted to show you guys before we get started. I like how I can just toss the wig over or even just toss it in a part to the middle, like super fast. Because you know, typically with like wigs, you have to hot comb it into the different directions that you want it. But this one, I can just keep tossing it around. I love that. All right, let's get into it.
Stop playing with him.
jdevinci and his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me and his bitch.
So you guys, this is how the hair turned out. I actually washed it last night and I bleached the knots. So this is the natural texture. I didn't put anything in it, and I just love how free flowing it is. Typically, like with wigs, it's hard to get it to throw to each side. Like you have to either press it in that direction or you have to have let it dry in that direction. And I just love how free, like I can have it in a part to the middle. I can like throw it to the side. I really like tossing my hair. So granted, I am really enjoying this hair. I think that this is low-key like 24 inches. It's super long. It's definitely giving me Beyonce vibes. When I washed it, I did wash it with a purple shampoo to try to tone the hair a bit, but it's given 27. Like, you know the color 27, this is color it is, you guys. I just can't keep my hands out of it. I think it's super pretty. This hair is from Unice Hair. I have not shared with you guys what came in the package, but I love the packaging. It's super cute. Just says Unice or Unice. I don't know. I think it's Unice. Dream hair for you. My hair actually came in a plastic bag that looked like this. It says hair disinfected. I thought that was cool, and it is a 24 inch. So 24 inches. I always wash my hair. I don't know how some girls decide to just put their wig on straight when they get it. I always wash the hair. It doesn't matter how clean, how good the hair smells. I'm always gonna wash the hair. In the package, they also gave you a little goodie bag. I always tell you guys, I like when companies just give you the bang for your buck. They give you some super cute lashes, okay? They also, I thought that this was cool because I'm always telling you guys you need a detangling brush when you have curly or wavy hair. They give you a little detangling brush, and this one is actually a little, this one is a zebra print detangling brush. And then they give you a silk scarf and a nude wig cap. So out of all these companies that I've been ordering from, I've got a million silk scarves now. You guys know on TikTok, people make their little t-shirts out of silk scarves. So you definitely can have them, and I love tying my hair down with them at nighttime. I love this hair. When I say I love it, I think it's super pretty. It would even straighten well if you guys wanted to straighten your hair. I'm here for the natural carefree type of hairstyle, because especially when it's long like this, I just want something that's going to be easy to maintain, you know what I mean? Not anything that's going to require me to have to detangle it during the day. I'm really not into that. But I love this hair. The lace itself, low-key, the lace looks really nice. I was kind of concerned because the lace was like a tinted brown. It wasn't a dark brown, it was more like my flesh tone brown, so I didn't know how it would respond to my skin color, you know what I mean? But it looks good. From what I can see right now, it looks good. It looks really good. I don't have on any makeup on my face, and I did not put any makeup on the closure itself. The only negative thing that I would say is the sides. So the sides, on the side, they stop. This right here is just hair glued down because I added glue down there, but low-key the sideburn. So if you have like a really big head, the frontal itself would not fit you from ear to ear, and that part was really scary to me. But this time I did cut the ear tabs off first, so I would highly recommend that if you have a bigger head, cut your ear tabs off after you glue down your hair so you can secure your sides, you know what I mean? But I still love this hair. I feel like it's gonna be a nice throw-on wig for me. I am definitely gonna make it glueless, so I'm gonna sew an elastic band on it, so this can just be a wig that I throw on and go, because I am loving it. I'm loving the length. It's just so cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this super quick video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and let me know if you guys have any questions about the hair, if you guys want me to do hair updates, because I definitely can do that for you guys as well. Yeah guys, I'm in love. Bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like jdevinci.